guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name's Stefan, this is 80Eighty, and this is Casey. You were just lounging on that thing, weren't you?
Yeah, I didn't know you were gonna start filming.
Bro. Thank goodness we got the exhaust off the Aventador. That thing was the grossest alien spaceship I've ever seen in my whole life. It weighs about 1,000 pounds. I should probably be careful with it because it's about $10,000, but let's go ahead and open up this box. Hang on, we're getting a lift test here. You see, give us a gauge.
Oh yeah. That probably weighs more than you weigh.
We've got Casey and we've got a scale. I'd say Casey's a little more accurate. What are you gonna say?
I'd probably say at least high 80-pound range.
High 80s, huh?
Yeah, I mean.
All right.
Yeah.
Look at those things. I think you calibrated those this morning, huh?
Yeah.
Woo! Here we go.
Here we go. Like it's Christmas time.
Easy. This is an expensive camera.
You're an expensive camera.
Dude, Fi with the black chrome, and look at those welds. Let's get a little mock-up here. This is scientific, right? Something like that.
You are way off.
What?
We'll
throw the other ones up there, sport.
You know, like, you're back here, bud.
Oh, that makes sense.
Your science was wrong.
This is why I don't do this, and you do
This is why
it.
you don't do science of cars.
Easy, easy, easy.
What you do it?
Casey's got the giggles over here. $300,000 car, probably $10,000 exhaust, and he's giggling.
Well, you're making funny remarks.
Casey's laughing because I said Italian muscle. I'm laughing because he said Italian muscle. I don't know what's going on anymore. And in the spirit of Italian, Italian, we went from meatball to sexy spaghetti. That's the sexiest spaghetti I've ever seen. Look at that thing.
How long were you pondering
That thing's
that
banging,
line?
dude. I was laughing before I even started recording.